Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Macy's gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to redeem Macy's gift card online, you can easily do that by visiting macys.com on your web browser. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in macys.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website of Macy's, which looks like this. Make sure to be logged into your account by clicking on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner and enter your credentials, that is your email followed by your password, and click sign in. Once you're logged into your Macy's account, which looks like this, you'll be logged into your Macy's account just like that. From your Macy's homepage, go ahead and select a product that you would like to shop. You can easily redeem your gift card during the checkout process with a product online. Select a product of your choice and add it on your shopping bag by clicking on Add to Bag. Click on the Checkout button once everything looks okay in the pop-up. Now, on the next page, in order to redeem the product with your gift card, click on Apply Gift Card option. Enter your card number that is available at the back of your gift card. Simply peel off the metallic strip from the back and reveal your gift card number along with your CID number. Once you enter your card number, type in your CID number on the next field and click on I'm not a robot beneath. Finally, click Apply Gift Card button, and that way you'll be able to redeem a gift card with a product you would like to check out with on macys.com. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.